Hey everyone, it's me, Dave. I feel like it's been a while since I've filmed in the living room of our apartment in Chicago. I just wanted to it's May 11th today. I just wanted to give a quick update on the channel and also say thank you to everyone who's followed us up to this point. We appreciate it. So real quick, on June 28th, yeah, we are moving onto a cruise ship full time. We're taking our first cruise is going to be a group cruise. There's 24 of us going. It's a bunch of our friends just to sort of celebrate my 1 year or so, and well, a little over 1 year in business as a travel agent. And also just to say goodbye. I mean, it's not goodbye, but I guess to sort of escort us into our new journey, our next chapter, which is going to be living full-time on a cruise ship. So that being said, up to this point, the channel has sort of been room tours, ship tours, port tours, things like that, which have just been sort of in filler leading up to this moment. And now I'm going to start documenting life on a cruise ship. What's it like living on a cruise ship? Is it something that's for everyone? How do you afford it? Just sort of a daily life and how it looks. And I'm going to be doing some videos leading up to that, just sort of where we're at. Like right now, we're in the middle of, or I guess towards the end of, closing my other business, which is I have a 3D printing business that I've had now for 5 years. Been very successful, but obviously I want to focus on my travel business, and then living on the cruise ship, we cannot bring the printing business with us. So I wanted to be able to close it gracefully on my own, not in the ways of Spirit Airlines. But rather than giving it to somebody else to take over, I just wanted to kind of close it on our own and mark that chapter done in our life. It's been amazing. I am looking forward to running a successful travel business, which I am doing so far. Thank you for everyone who's booked with me or even asked about booking with me. Appreciate it. So yeah, everyone, if you would appreciate if you would follow us on this next journey. It's going to be amazing. We're going to be doing some great cruises. We're going to be, this year alone, we're going to be going to Australia, New Zealand, and then we're going to be going to Seattle, to go out to Alaska twice. So it's back-to-back Alaska, followed by Hawaii and the Panama Canal. So it's all back-to-back, so I'm kind of a Spirit. No, yeah, Spirit. Spirit? Yeah. So yeah, and then the next year we're going to be heading to South America. We're going to be doing some stuff in England, both land and cruises. Let's see, what else we got going on. We're going to be going to Ireland next year on a land trip. What else? Oh, we're doing some Viking cruises over in Europe, 2026 and 2027. So we've got a lot going on. We're pretty much fully scheduled up until 2028, and then we're just going to keep booking back to back on the different ships until the ultimate goal is to be on Villa V, which is a residential cruise line where you buy your cabin, and it's a 15-year lease or life of the ship, and the cabin's yours. So that's kind of our goal for 2028. And then see if we like that route. You can do a rent to own program on there. You can either buy it or you can do a rent to own as well. So I think we're gonna maybe go that route first to make sure that we like it before committing to purchasing it fully out. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, I'm excited. It's gonna be a crazy adventure. We talked about it for a while. Once we became empty nesters, we thought, let's just do it, right? We got nothing else going on around here. Why not? I mean, we do. It sounds weird. It just came out the wrong way. But nothing is holding us down. So why not live on a cruise ship, live in Europe for 2 weeks here and there. And so the floating life with Hidden Duck Travel Adventures is going to be just that, us floating through life and just enjoying it. I'm turning 50 this year, so I'm not getting much younger. So I'm just gonna go have a good time and just go see the world and share it all with you. So please, 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 please hit the smash button, follow, subscribe, like, do all that stuff so you can join us on our amazing adventure. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today. I'm gonna be back again here next week in the same spot and let you know what's going on next week. So, and then we're gonna get on that cruise ship soon, and it's gonna be just everything's gonna just happen, and it's gonna be crazy. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you again next week. Oh, and wait, real quick, I've got a bunch of other filler videos that are coming up too, that are scheduled to come up. Some different cruise, some room tours, some ship tours, a couple other things coming up. So there are other videos to be in between these sort of life journal diary entry videos as well. So watch all of it, like all of it, comment on all of it, and then yeah, we'll see you later. Have a good day.